Hey, it's me, SteveWB, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about 5 things you need to know if you're the owner of a brand new DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do with that brand new DJI Osmo Pocket is download the Mimo app and update your camera, because if it's been sitting in the box for a while, it's going to be missing some very critical updates like the focus issue that was fixed, and you won't have potentially the hyperlapse. So make sure the first thing you do is update your DJI Osmo Pocket. Number 2, you want to go on Amazon or wherever you do your camera shopping or whatever, and you want to get a wide angle lens for that tiny camera, because even though it's a vlogging camera and it was made for vlogging, the field of view is not really big enough if you're holding it in just your arm. So by putting that wide angle lens on the front, you can hold it at a comfortable length without looking like you're stretching way out, and get a nice field of view and a nice background behind you when you're doing your vlogs. Get you a very nice wide angle lens for your DJI Osmo Pocket. Number 2. Number 3, get familiar with your new camera. Sit at home and play with it, shoot videos in the house, test out the different modes, and just spend at least like a good 30 minutes to an hour playing with your camera, getting familiar with the settings, the modes, the features, how it focuses, the 2 different focus modes, autofocus continuous and autofocus single. Once you pull the camera out and you're on your vacation, or say you're walking through Disney World or wherever you are, and you go to use your camera and you're not familiar with the settings, you're going to miss your shot. You're going to be fumbling around. Number 3, make sure you take some time and get familiar with your new DJI Osmo Pocket. Number 4, the main microphone for the camera is on the same side as the screen, it was intended for vlogging. So if you're looking at the camera and you're speaking towards the screen, you're going to get good audio. There is not a microphone on the other side of the camera. The only other microphone, I believe, is on the bottom. So if you're recording somebody in front of you, you don't want to cover the bottom of the DJI Osmo Pocket. So be aware of where your microphone is when you're recording others. Number 4. And number 5. Number 5 is if you have an Android device and you plug your phone into the DJI Osmo Pocket to use the Mimo app, the Osmo Pocket is going to charge your phone. This is not an iPhone problem, it is an Android problem, and it will drain your camera quick. So instead of getting an hour and a half, 2 hours, or whatever your record time is on your Osmo Pocket, you'll probably get like 10 or 15 minutes. Just be aware that if your Osmo Pocket is plugged into your Android device, it is going to drain your battery. So these are the 5 tips that you need to know if you're the owner of a brand new DJI Osmo Pocket in 2020. Okay, so that's going to be it for today. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. This is SteveWB, and I'm out.